Good morning, welcome to your Tuesday, March 6th daily operations weather briefing. Currently across the region, we do have a weak ridge of high pressure, which is providing us with some partly sunny skies. We are starting to see some of that high and mid-level cloud cover begin to move over the region, and those clouds will generally be increasing throughout this morning into the afternoon with a cold front that'll be approaching from the west and will be infecting some precip into our area as we head into the later portion of this afternoon, and especially into the evening and overnight hours, where it looks like we'll have a likely scenario of moderate rainfall throughout the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning. And along this frontal boundary, as it moves through the area, we'll actually have a area of low pressure form along that boundary, move off to the northeast and intensify. So we'll be dealing with another nor'easter as we head into our daytime hour tomorrow. Looking over at the current observations with the satellite radar overlay, we're dry across the region, but we do again have plenty of mid to upper level cloudiness streaming over the area. We do have light and variable winds with temperatures rising into the upper 30s. Those winds are expected to increase out of the southeast later this morning, and will be generally increasing throughout the day out of the southeast, topping out mainly out of the southeast again at 9 to 14 knots. With that frontal system and area of low pressure that will be moving through the area, we're generally expecting 3/4 of an inch to about an inch of rainfall ending tomorrow, early tomorrow afternoon. GFS model output shown here is showing about 9.94 inches of rainfall, which falls in line with the rest of the model output over the local area. So again, generally expecting around 3/4 of an inch to an inch of rainfall tomorrow with this area of low pressure and the associated frontal boundary that'll be affecting our area overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Currently, we are experiencing scattered at 14,000, broken at 18,000, broken at 25,000, calm winds with a temperature of 38 degrees and a relative humidity of 73%. For the next 24 hours, or I should say for the next 4 to 8 hours, it should be mainly dry and hazards expected to be green. Looks like we'll start to introduce a chance of rainfall after 4 p.m. this afternoon, with just some light drizzle moving into the area. It looks like the light rainfall activity should hold off until about 7 p.m. this evening, where we'll start to see the precip shield really begin to enter the region, and then moderate rainfall looks to start mainly after 10 p.m. This evening and continue throughout the overnight hours. We'll also start to see our ceilings drop as well. It looks like they'll be bottoming out at about 400 feet, and that'll be after midnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Temperatures for today expected to top out around 46 degrees with southeasterly winds. Again, be increasing at 4 to 8 knots this morning, and should top out about 9 to 14 knots out of the southeast later this afternoon and evening. Winds should remain fairly brisk this evening and into the overnight hours, southeasterly 9 to 14 knots, and then shifting more easterly to east-northeasterly at about 7 to 12 knots tomorrow morning. After 8 a.m. and into the later portions of the morning, we should start to see those winds really pick up and shift more northwesterly as the area of low pressure that'll be off the coast really begins to intensify, and it looks like we'll be in wind advisory criteria as we head into the later portion of the morning to the afternoon. Our overnight low is expected to be around midnight at about 40 degrees. For our day on Wednesday, we'll have a chance of showers, scattered showers during the morning and early afternoon. Looks like it'll be fairly breezy with a high of 46 degrees, expecting wind gusts to top out between 30 and 35 miles per hour. We'll have a high of 46 degrees. Wednesday night, partly cloudy, slightly breezy and seasonable with a low of 33 degrees as weak high pressure builds over the area. And then for Thursday, mostly sunny and slightly breezy with a high of 47 degrees. That'll conclude the daily operations weather briefing for today. We'll be back with you at 10 a.m. for the extended outlook. Have a great day.